Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Maths, question number 100. Which of the following is closest to 7 times 6.39? Now we can get 6.39 times 7 first. 7, 9, 3 plus 6. 3 times 7, 21, 21 plus 6, 27, plus 2. 6 times 7, 42, 42 plus 2, 44, 44, and we mark the decimal point, 2 decimal places, so dong here, 44.73. The result of 7 times 6.39 is 44.73. And which one is the closest to this result? We draw a number line here. 44 left side and 45 right side. And the middle point of it is 44.5. And since 44.73 is about here, 44.73, so it is much closer to 45. All right, compared to 44.73 is closer to 45 on the number line on the right. All right, so the answer 45. We choose 3. Alright, and that is all for this question. Thanks for watching my video. This is Teacher J. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.